Hi guys, I'm back with my video. I'm using silicone from Zhermack ZC20. I took out exactly the silicone that I measured that I need. I have it on my scale here, and here is this the catalyst, and it's very small to read, but 3%, 4%, 5%, and the more you put, the shorter the working time and the shorter the curing time. So I'm going to do the shortest, 5%, and I got my little scale here. I'm just going to tare it, and I need 32 grams of catalyst to about 700 grams of the silicone. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I'm going to first tare it, and I need 32 grams. That's 4 grams. $13. $22. Okay, I got 32. I took out 32 grams of this vessel here, the catalyst. Now I'm just going to stir it. It's thick stuff. At first it looks like it is not coming into the thick silicone, but it takes a little while. I didn't have a round container. I just used an old white spirit can that I had in plastic. Of course, it would have been nicer if it was round. You see, now as you start to stir it, starts to incorporate in the silicone. It's very thick, and I don't know how it will run out of this vessel to pour in my mold. Would it be nice to have a scraper that they use in pastry shops? So I would have to consider that next time. Okay. I'm just using the end of a brush that I had. I don't have this wooden spatulas to turn. I invested in a vacuum box that I bought from Vevor for a good price. Vacuum pump, the vacuum chamber. I bought a big one so everything can go in there. I don't know how long I should vacuum, but this is my first time. Okay, this is open, and close the air, outside air. Okay, I'm going to turn on the pump. Let's see the gauge sucking vacuum. Let's see the bubbles. You can see that it's rising. Wait, I'm going to take it off. I'm a little scared. I don't want it to overflow. Wait, I'm going to turn on the pump again. You see how it rises very quickly. Okay, and now it's like boiling. Very cool. I'm doing this for the first time. I have no idea how long I have to pull the vacuum. See, it's at the vacuum now. It's settled. I think I will open the air slowly and do it again. When I open the air, it means that atmospheric pressure comes back in the vessel. Let's see. Okay, I still got bubbles, but I'm going to do it again. I'm going to turn it on, see what happens. Just one more breath. Now it's not really rising, I think. Still bubbles come out. Okay, I don't want to do this too long because with my 5% catalyst I only have 20 or 30 minutes I think work time. Okay, it rose a little bit. I don't know if I should keep this on a vacuum until I see no bubbles. I'm not sure how this works. Okay, I'm going to stop it anyway, because I used this product before without without doing the vacuum, because I didn't have this chamber and it did not really have much bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to release the air. And I'm just going to pour it in my mold here. One moment, I have to take out plastic. I still see little bubbles present. Anyway, I'm going to pour it from the side. I wonder if I should actually put this whole thing in the vacuum pot as well. Maybe not. It looks like I calculated my volume correctly. I took the measurements of horizontal, vertical and the depth. The volume calculator. It's actually coming up exactly what I measured. Actually, I measured it without considering the object inside. But still, I'm on my spot there. Look, it's crazy what I just did here. It's giving all these bubbles. Tell me in the comments below, would you put this back in the vacuum chamber? Because I still have some bubbles up, but I'm afraid that maybe I will get bubbles from inside deep where my part is. I don't know. Comment me below if I should put this back in the vacuum, yes or no.